majority of the time, Salesforce is the driver, but we also have additional tools, Tableau, Power BI, different technologies that feed into that we get our data from.
A lot of this came from being a self-originator and owner by myself. So that's how using technology even started for me, because I really needed to learn how to replace my time for dollars.
I'm just as much a part of the customer experience as a customer is, because if it's hard for me or difficult for me or takes me a lot of time, that's a worse experience for the customer.